Stitching to perfection. Neeti Clothing, based in Gurgaon near Delhi, is one of the many small-scale industries that export garments to Europe and the United States. But over the last few years, the company has been hit by the global slowdown. Now India has opened its doors to foreign firms to come and set up multi-brand stores in the country. Companies like Neeti are hoping that they will be among those to benefit by becoming suppliers to the foreign retailers.
I think India as such, the market is growing, the retail is growing. Plus with these organized big companies coming in India, they will expand the market further. So for people like us, small and medium enterprises, we'll have good business from them.
One of the key conditions for foreign companies willing to invest in multi-brand retail is that they'll have to source 30% of the total products sold in India from mid and small size suppliers like this one. In fact, the government has now eased rules for foreign retailers to buy goods from a wider range of small-scale industries. The government has had to take steps to ease the sourcing rules it had originally set after the foreign companies that it had planned to attract have so far stayed away. It also had to issue clarifications on the mandatory $100 million investment that it stipulated foreign companies would have to make. Now they will have to invest only half of its initial amount in back-end infrastructure, including processing, manufacturing and distribution. Major international companies have welcomed the move, but are yet to reveal their plans for India. Despite revisions, experts say that companies are likely to adopt a wait-and-watch approach.
There are some voices in the opposition which have said that if there is a new government post-elections, there may be a rethinking. Such kind of statements really dampen the spirit, and most retailers who have yet not entered India are actually waiting for the elections to get over.
Last year, the government announced the first set of big bang reforms, which after an initial spur in optimism, have so far failed to excite foreign investors. Policymakers will now be hoping that the latest announcements are enough to shift sentiment on the ground. Samir Hashmi, BBC News, Mumbai.